Hey YouTube, I'm out of the frame. I know. I'm just trying to stay centered on this part right here. Working on getting the doors hinges broke loose, or the hinge bolts broke loose, and I don't know how many different ways there are to do this, but one of these little impact drivers right here do a great job. This one here is like old. This was my father's. So this thing's got probably 30 years old. Yeah, probably a lot more than that. No, it will be more than 30, but it's gonna be about almost 40 years old. Sorry, but I've lost all the bits, but luckily when you take the end of it off, there's a 3/8 drive there, so I just put a 1/4 inch adapter on here for a socket and a 1/4 inch socket, and then put my bit in so it holds it, because I don't know where you can find the little bits. But you can get these at Harbor Freight pretty cheap. I guess they're pretty cheap. But how it works is you put it in there, and you use this for pretty much anything, any stuck bolt. Take and you turn in the direction you want for it to go, and then you strike it with a hammer. You may have to do it a couple of times. Just like that. Then you drop the bit out. That's why it's better to have one of the ones that the bits are made for it. Or put your little crazy glue in the end of it. But I just want to make a quick little video doing this, kind of showing, if nobody has one of these, if ever used one of them, how well they do work. I'm sorry for the poor videography here, but you know. Well, this one's gonna be real stubborn. Like I said, I'm just getting them all broke loose for now. I had one out of the, 3, 6, 9, 12. That just came right out. All the rest of them have been a booger. It's hard to do this with I'm right-handed. So yeah. Arrgh. Oh, let's see here. Sorry about that. Let's see if I can get this. There we go. Yeah, and for those of y'all that see me hit my hand, yeah, it don't hurt too bad. I'm out here in the shop stripping paint tonight, and I'm gonna go ahead and get these broken loose. Oh, yep. But yeah, let's raise this up a little bit, make it easier for y'all to see. Don't like to be looking up my nose so much. All right, but I dropped the bit again. Oh, there it is. Just a regular bit like this. Like I said, that's 3/8 drive when you take the other end off. The other piece that goes on holds the original bits that go in it. So I just took the little adapter, 3/8 down to a 1/4 inch socket and a bit. But this one was made by Continental Impact Driver, part number 3800. Bought this at my father bought this at a flea market, like I said, probably 40 years ago. I remember being there with him when he bought it. But yeah, it comes in handy. You got a stuck bolt like that, and you really don't have a bit for a impact gun, and really probably not an impact gun would be the best thing to use there, unless you've got one of the little small ones that I even tried it with my Porter Cable 18, and it wouldn't even snap them loose, which it's not really designed for that, but every now and then you get lucky and it pops them loose. But yeah, you need to take the doors off, or any other little stubborn bolt, Harbor Freight or local flea market, and see what you can find. This one's been used quite a bit. I'm amazed it even still works. But y'all have a good night. God bless, and roll Tide.